Good morning, everyone. It's Muriel. Welcome back to my channel. Sunday morning, I have just finished the wedding card that I was going to make. I had to make for this wedding we're going to this weekend, and I wanted to share with you what I did. I'm using this Paper Studio wedding paper crafting kit that I picked up at Hobby Lobby for $1.49. So cool. Regularly $10 was $5.99, then reduced to $1.49. It comes with 14 pieces. You get a couple two of each sheet that you see here. Let's better picture on the back. And you get alphabet sticker sheet. You get this sticker sheet, vellum stickers. You get some rhinestones, and then you get 3D embellishment stickers. So you can see I didn't use any of those. I just used the paper for the card. The focus you'll see on the card I use from this paper dimensional stickers from Hobby Lobby. And then I coupled it with some flare button from, what is that? Everything Blue or Something Blue. The Something Blue by Prima. I used the rhinestones from Recollections, a few brads from Something Blue by Prima, one Prima flower here, a couple of Recollection flowers, some cherry blossoms from, and I'm not sure if this is I Am Roses, yeah, probably, or the other flower place. And then I use a sticker here from the Simple Stories, Always and Forever. So I was just all over the place, just using whatever I could to bring this to a beautiful card. And I'm using the corrugated card base. Someone sent these to me from their stash, and I can't remember who it was, but thank you so much. I always use one for wedding card. So you can see I use the Mr. and Mrs. and the Just Married. This photo frame is also from the Prima collection. I just put some of that polka dot gold speckled vellum underneath it, raised it up on some foam. And here's the sticker here saying we belong together, and then the brad that says us, and then that one says yes. And then all of the flowers here are clustered on a chipboard piece from the Something Blue collection. There are the cherry blossoms, the gorgeous Recollections flower. And then I use some petals from Prima, or these are probably from Recollections too. And then the rhinestones are just placed in different spots. I did 3 layers of the paper, and then I cut out some banners with the really flower colorful paper stitched banner die. So that's the front. The inside looks like this. Congratulations. My daughter says this looks like the bathroom kids, but it came in a wedding pack, so I'm taking it as the bride and groom, and then their cards are there. And on the back, I just have my little sticker. So that finished that card. I'm glad it's all done. I can move on to my next project, which I'm not quite sure. It'll probably be Easter related, I'm so sure. So I hope you guys like it. I hope you, if you have this wedding paper crafting kit, that you use it definitely for, I think it's perfect for spring or summer weddings, or any month possible. But it worked well for me because this is a spring wedding at a large farm. So that's going to be real pretty. So thanks again for watching. Have a great Sunday, you guys. Bye now.